Hello everybody and welcome to our project on painting a pumpkin. Today I want to talk with you a little bit about the shape of a pumpkin and some of the colors that you can use on a pumpkin, and these are some really great examples that show how pumpkins can have multicolors. You don't always have to use orange. You can use different shades of turquoise or white or yellow. Even in this pumpkin, you'll see different colors. So let's take a second to look at these. Everybody kind of look at the shape that you see here. There's a lot of curved areas. There's also a lot of mixing of color. And so today, I'm hoping that each one of you will be able to create a pumpkin that is just as neat as these samples. So to get started, what I'm going to do is move my samples off. And we're going to start by making a few marks on our canvas. Now remember, this is a 8 by 10 canvas, and you will have some paints for you and your partner to share and a pencil. For the purpose of the video though, I'm going to be using a Sharpie to mark the spots and draw them with you. Okay, so to get started, let's go ahead and mark our canvas. Remember, if you want a tall pumpkin, you can turn your canvas this way, which is called vertical, or if you want a horizontal pumpkin, you can turn it this way. All right, and now what I want to do is mark. So we're going to go to the center of our canvas. I'm going to put a mark where I want the bottom of my pumpkin to be, and a mark where I want the top of my pumpkin to be. Now this is for the people that are drawing on their own. You can see that these are my two marks. I'm going to connect the two marks together by drawing a curve on one side and repeating that curve on the other side. Very good. And just use your pencil to make that line. Once you draw that center section, that oval shape, then we're going to jump over to the other side. And by doing that, you're going to grab the bottom and you're going to curve out ever so slightly and repeat that same arch. So I'm going to pull up. And when I get here to the top, I'm going to curve in. Very good. I'm going to do that one again. Trying to make my sections the same. There we go. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Start at the bottom, pull up, curve in, and once again, out and curve in. Now for my people that are a little older, this is a really simple way to draw, and it also helps us because every pumpkin will be slightly different. For your younger ones, if you need a pattern, we'll be happy to get one of those for you. At the top, let's go ahead and put our stem on. We're going to come up here, kind of bring it out like this. You're going to curve it just a little bit and then bring it off to the side. And make that as big or as small as you need it. Okay, perfect. Now that we're done with our sketch, we'll come right back and we'll start our paint.